Okay, welcome back to Demo Garage. I'm Steven, and I had intended to do a boxing video for you today, but I made the cardinal sin and did not hit play. So let me just go through all the parts that I just received from Andrew Gray in England. His company specializes in TVR parts. And I got this big box behind me with a lot of wonderful things that I need that I'll be installing on my 1974 2500M TVR. First thing I got that I needed probably the most was the framework to replace on the front of my hood. The original one is all rusted out, and a few of these bars don't even connect anymore. So later on today, I'm going to take that hood off and start cutting out the fiberglass holding the original one in, and I'll be showing you how I install this new replacement frame. The box is big enough that Andrew made me a deal on this large fuel tank, and I went ahead and picked up a sending unit that's not installed yet. This is about the only damage I got from anything in the box coming across the pond, and this looks to be fairly easy to repair. I've got an exhaust expander, so I suspect I can deal with that no issue. Most of the rubber on this car is bad, so I've got a collection here of new rubber parts. Let's see, I think this is probably the inner fender well, so I got two of those. I'll say this is the cowl seal. Let's see, I've got doors. I think these are for both doors. Yeah, so this is the rubber piece that goes around the fuel filler neck, maybe visible. And I've got new rubber for both the front and rear glass with the chrome strips, so that'll be nice to have. This is a quick disconnect kit for the framework, so I can actually pull just a couple of pins and quickly remove the entire hood for easy operation when I'm working on the engine or whatnot. Rebuild kit for the two doors. They've got that TVR sag. And then I went ahead and ponied up for the poly bushing set for the entire car. So at some point I'll be going through all the suspension components and whatnot. And then, of course, I needed new foil stickers for my wheels. So that completes the order I placed that came from England. I got from Gray's. Thank you, Andrew. Arrived safe and sound. And I'm looking forward to shooting a couple of videos while I install all this. So thanks for joining. This is Steven with Demo Garage.